morning, children of standard 6. See here, from second sem we are going to start our lesson from GK. So you will be having again one subject GK. So from second sem we will start, not from first. So lesson 29 we will start. From there you will be having for your examination. So now make one notebook for GK. So answers you have to write, and you will, in your next examination GK, marks will be added, so you will be having the exam of GK. So I will start your lesson of 29. If you have not purchased the book, please purchase Learn Well textbook from the market, GK 6th standard Learn Well. So I have already, I am explaining you in this PDF only. Please you will see to it, and you will purchase the textbook. It is very necessary. Okay, thank you for that. So I will start my lesson. First lesson we will start 29, that is words of wisdom. What do you mean wisdom? Means some quotations are there. There are many leaders and many persons who have said something about words of wisdom. So it is very necessary. So in first paragraph, many things provides inspiration watching individual and accomplish the great things. So from the wisdom, it is the saying, but it accomplish us, it provide us many things and inspire in our life. So it is very necessary. People hearing inspiration, quotation from good people. So now we will see some quotations are there which are very necessary. So different person, leaders like, understand, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. First, he said, Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. Swaraj means what? Our own self. Understand? Swaraj is my birthright. He said for the nation that Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. So he wanted Britisher to quit India, and he said that without Swaraj I will not live quite. So this was saying. Then what did Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose said? Give me blood and I will give you freedom. He said, give me blood and I will give you freedom. So he said that India wants freedom and it is very necessary. So he formed, in SS we are having one lesson that Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, he had his own Fauj army. Understand? Though his father was working in British officer, but still he did not join him, but he joined India for freedom. Now superstition is the religious of feeble mind. Feeble means few. Edmund Burke, he said that superstition means old feelings and old thinkings is only in some mind, only in feeble mind, not all. Understand? So now next we'll see, where wealth accumulates man decay. Oliver Goldsmith, what did he say? Wherever wealth, if there is wealth, no, people thinks that we are wealthy, we are, so this will, that nothing will affect us. Understand? So that will decay our mind. Decay means poison our mind, and so people will not work, for that. Only they think that we are having wealth, why it is very necessary. Now William Shakespeare, he said, suspicion always hunts the guilty mind. Means we should not suspect anyone. Understand? We should always be positive in thinking. Then what did Francis Bacon said? Knowledge is power. If you are having, don't have wealth, but if you are having knowledge, that is more powerful. Okay. Then we will see Albert Einstein. What did he say? Science without religious is lamb, and religion without science is blind. So science and religious goes together. If science is there, but if you are having religious superstition feeling, that will not go. So this both together goes together. Now we can see about Jawaharlal Nehru. Time is not measured in passing the year, but we should work hard, understand, feel that, and then only we can achieve it. Goal is main. Understand? Only just passing our years together till our death, that is not enough. We should have good feelings, and that will achieve us. Then we can see about Confucius. What did he say? Superior man is the modest in the speech but exceed in his action. See, if you are modest in your speech, if you are high in speech, but action, he is poor. He does not have any action. So we should be, both should be with us. Now, on the next page, we will see that what did Ella Wheeler Wilcox said. Laugh, the world laughs you. If you weep, nobody comes to you. Means weep alone. Understand? If you are happy, if if you are hardworking, if you are great, then everybody comes to you. But if you are weep, nobody comes with you. So you should always be in life. You should be laughter. Then Mahatma Gandhi said, "The weak can never forgive us, but forgiveness is attribute of strong." He said, "The weak is can never forgive, but attribute of strong." This was said by Mahatma Gandhi. Then what did Leo Z said? "Nothing is softer or more flexible than water, yet nothing can resist it." Understand? Nothing is softer means we should be softer and flexible. See how the water is flexible. Wherever you give its way, it moves. So it is very soft and flexible. Now we can see about Benjamin Franklin. He said, by failing to prepare yourself means failing yourself. Understand? If you fail, if you are not ready for any preparation, that means you have failed in your life. William Wordsworth, child is the father of the man. According to he said that child is very great, child has more knowledge, and child is the father of the man. Now Franklin D. Roosevelt, the only things we have to fear is fear itself. Means fear means don't be like this, that fear of others, that they are going to do something for us. If you have fear of your teachers, if you have fear of yourself, if you have fear of your God, but do right things. So fear yourself, fear yourself, then only you can live the life. Now we can see about Napoleon Bonaparte. What did he say? Impossible is a word be found only in the dictionary of the fool. He said everything is possible, everything can be done, but impossible. If you say I cannot do this, that is only in the dictionary of fools. Means only the fool, people who are fool, they only say that it is not possible by me. So everything is difficult before easy. But what happens? But if you try, it is possible. If you don't try, it is impossible. Abraham Lincoln. A democratic government is for the people, of the people, and by the people. So in this SS chapter, I have said that what is our country is a democratic. We select we elect our superiors. We give them power to rule over us, and so it is democracy. We can say. What did Helen Keller said? Never bend your head or bend your head. Always say high. Means don't bend your high means always you should be high and your thinking should be high. According to him it is. Then what did Aristotle said? Man is a political animal. We are also animal only, but only just we can speak. Understand? Animals also have feelings. They are also having feelings. Only just they cannot say. Understand? But they can feel. So we can feel and we can say. So we are a political animal according to the Aristotle. Understand? So this chapter ends. So please all of you write down this saying, and in front of that you write the person's name who have said them. So in this way you have to prepare one notebook. Okay, thank you.